Welcome to the Automated Shoot House Training System. This training guide provides instructions on how to set up and operate this live fire training system. This includes instructions on how to record both day and night training exercises, use the theater control pad to conduct an after-action review, AAR, and produce a take-home package, THP, of the latest training exercises. This system consists of live fire targets with sensors that will detect and record hits. The sensors can be configured by site support personnel, causing the target to react to specific scenarios using mortal or non-mortal hits. For example, the sensors can be configured as follows. The target will fall after 3 non-mortal shots to either the arms or legs, or combination of both arms and legs, or the target will fall after 1 mortal shot to the head or chest. Warning: ricochet hazard areas of the target are located at the base of the unit, and discharging a weapon at this area must be avoided. Users are responsible for setting up the targets prior to each training exercise. Each exercise is automatically recorded and archived on the system and is available for reviewing even if an exercise is currently in progress. The Theater Touch panel allows the user to control the system for recording and reviewing of recorded video, as well as creating a THP disc. Caution: panic buttons are located on the catwalk at each entrance of the shoot house and in the theater near the podium. Any panic button, when activated, will call a ceasefire as well as turn on all overhead lighting. Before training, first clear the building. Next, set up the targets and then perform range SOP safety checks. Step 1. Set up the human type targets. Visually inspect each of the targets for functional damage to include the external leads and hit sensors. If damaged, return the unit to storage and exchange it for one with undamaged sensors. With the target standing upright, lean the unit back 10 degrees and engage the foot latch. With the foot latch in the correct position, ease the target forward until it rests upright. Ensure the power and data cables are connected at the target base as well as the outlets located above the firing line. If using a magnetic-based target, connect the control cable between the interface box and the target. After the power and network cables are connected between the interface box and the wall plates located above the firing line, stand the target upright and press down until the latch engages. Step 2. System Startup. At the podium, press the Start button on the Theater Touch panel to initialize the video recording and target engagement systems. When initialized, live video will be projected into the theater. To enable the sound effects that have been created by support personnel, press the Enable Sound button. This allows the pre-selected sound file to be played in the shoot house while recording is in progress. At the shoot house entrance, green LEDs at entry point wall plates will indicate the system is ready to record training. The podium is also equipped with a press-to-talk microphone for communicating to the shoot house while in live view. Each entrance of the shoot house has a push-button wall plate which allows the user to start and stop training exercises. Lighting control is located beside the wall plate to allow toggling between white light and infrared during night operations. Step 1. At the shoot house entrance, make sure the system initialized LED is green to record training. Step 2. Firmly press the center of the Start-Stop button on the shoot house wall plate and wait for the green LED to extinguish and the red LED to illuminate before entering the shoot house. The red LED indicates the system is recording. If enabled, the pre-selected sound file will be played in the shoot house while recording is in progress. Pressing the podium microphone push-to-talk button will mute the sound effects in the shoot house for 10 seconds. Step 3. After the building is cleared and the last participant has exited the shoot house, push the Start-Stop button on the shoot house wall plate to stop recording. This will extinguish the red LED and reactivate the green LED, returning the system to an initialized state, as well as resetting the current sound effects file. Training can be repeated multiple times before going to the theater to perform an after-action review and to create a THP disc. If the green LEDs on the wall plate at the shoot house entrance are blinking, this indicates the recorded video is about to exceed the capacity of the THP disc, approximately 3 hours. At this point, an after-action review must be held and a THP created. Ensure the presentation projector is in a ready state. If the projector has entered sleep mode, use the theater control pad to power up the projector by pressing the projector on-off button to power up the unit and to illuminate the button. Pressing the projector on-off button while the unit is on will power off the projector and the button will flash until the unit has cooled. The projector will automatically power off after 3 hours of control pad inactivity. Select the projector source by pressing Live View for real-time video and audio to be presented. To use the laptop view button, connect the provided monitor and audio cables for the audiovisual wall plate to the presenter's laptop to allow the user to display PowerPoint, video, or other applications on the projector. Reviewing recorded training exercises. Pressing AAR View sends recorded video of the current training exercise to the projector. Use the theater control pad, audio up, audio down, and audio mute buttons to adjust the volume level in the theater. Use the theater control pad to navigate through the exercise by pressing the AAR View button. Use the Next or Previous button to navigate to the desired exercise clip, and control the playback of the video by using play, pause, forward, and reverse. Use the theater control pad to access the floor plan view and target configuration of the Shoot House exercise currently being displayed by pressing the Previous button. Pressing the Next button will return to the recorded video. Pressing Live View sends live video back to the projector. After the AAR, press the Burn THP button on the control pad to create a take-home package. Creating a take-home package archives the current training video, making the training video inaccessible through the theater control pad. For this reason, we recommend presenting the AAR before creating a take-home package. See Site Support Personnel for retrieval of archived THPs.